First step would be to make sure you're eligible. The age of the youngest person has to be at least 55 and your property has to be worth at least 75,000. Discuss your needs and objective with a regulated advisor or firm, and the next step would be to make an application to the lender providing it's suitable for yourself. After that, the lender would send out a valuer, have your property assessed, and providing it fits the other criteria and it's suitable for lending purposes, an official offer would be issued. From that point, a legal advisor would give you independent legal advice, usually a body or firm of solicitors, and that has to be done on a face-to-face basis to make sure the product is suitable and that you understand the contract you're entering into. Providing all of these boxes are ticked, then you would be looking at around 3 months from when you originally applied, it would pay out.